Thank you very much, sir. Good morning to our panelists, to the red levels and everyone present in the venue. I would like to start by saying Maksubul. It's a also word for thank you. I'm very thankful to be part of this year's National Writers Workshop, and it's very timely. To be part of this workshop has been my long time dream, and it's very timely that at my age of 31 years old, I became part of the 31st National Writers Workshop. Yes. And then I find pleasure in learning because I find it as a beautiful outlet for us to be ourselves without any judgments, without restrictions, and without social pressures. So writing is very much beautiful. And then I have been dreaming to be part of this workshop, and this is my first National Writers Workshop because I want to be with people like you who will have many things to share that I can learn from, and I would like to enjoy the witty conversations, the intelligent talks, and that's why I expect to learn a lot from this workshop. I expect to be equipped